What would you do if your father was the most powerful ruler, but he didn't trust you? This is the story of Bahadur Shah I's struggle for power. India's Mughal Empire witnessed numerous rulers, each leaving a distinct mark on history. Today, we dive into the life and reign of Bahadur Shah I, the 8th Mughal Emperor, who ruled from 1707 to 1712, known by many names including Muhammad Muazzam and Shah Alam. Bahadur Shah's story is one of ambition, strategy, and challenges. Bahadur Shah was born on October 14, 1643 in Burhanpur as Muazzam, the third son of Emperor Aurangzeb and Nawab Bai. From an early age, he was destined for politics. At just 10 years old, Muazzam was appointed Vizier of Lahore, a position he held from 1653 to 1659 under the reign of his grandfather, Shah Jahan. However, his journey to the throne was fraught with challenges. Despite being entrusted with significant administrative responsibilities, Muazzam found himself at odds with his father. This strained relationship was evident during the Mughal struggles against the legendary Maratha leader Shivaji. Despite being tasked with defending the Deccan capital, Aurangabad, Muazzam failed to stop Shivaji's advances. His father's frustration grew, and commanders like Raja Jai Singh were sent to deal with the Maratha challenge. In 1707, the death of Aurangzeb set the stage for a battle of succession. Muazzam, then the governor of Kabul, faced fierce competition from his half-brothers, Muhammad Kam Bakhsh and Muhammad Azam Shah. The struggle culminated in the Battle of Jaju in 1707, where Muazzam emerged victorious, claiming the throne as Bahadur Shah I at the age of 63. As emperor, Bahadur Shah adopted a liberal approach. He granted nobles their preferred domains, though this led to financial strain. He attempted to reconcile with groups like the Marathas and Sikhs, but struggled to maintain consistent control. Despite his efforts, the Marathas continued to resist Mughal authority, while the Sikhs, led by Banda Bahadur, waged an insurrection in Punjab. Bahadur Shah's attempts to quell these uprisings defined much of his short reign. His war against Banda Bahadur, which included significant battles in Punjab, ultimately led to his death in 1712 during repairs at Lahore's Shalimar Gardens. Bahadur Shah's coinage reflected a mix of tradition and innovation. While he issued gold, silver, and copper coins, he also reminted copper coins from Aurangzeb's reign. Unlike his predecessors, he rejected couplets on his coins, opting instead for simplicity. Though his reign lasted only 5 years, Bahadur Shah made notable efforts to ease the strict policies of his father, Aurangzeb. While he failed to abolish the jizya tax, he encouraged cultural expressions like music. His death marked the beginning of a slow decline for the Mughal Empire, with his successors becoming mere puppets in rapidly changing political landscape. Bahadur Shah I's reign may have been brief, but it was a pivotal chapter in the Mughal Empire's history. His struggles to maintain unity and peace amid political chaos reflect the challenges of leadership during turbulent times. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the past. Until next time.